Computational capacity is what that determines the efficiency of any machine that anyone are going to use for the needs locally or nationally or internationally too. If the computational needs of a city or the town are of the highest orders, the computer that is designated to serve the needful purposes must be equipped with the needful configuration to deliver what anyone wants and also in time. This is the major reason why the computers are being made in varied capacities companies to make sure that anyone are using it up to your best needs and wants in particular. Quantized subatomic particles are one of the best options in that way to store memory in large quantities as per the experts. This was not found recently but was an idea that is there since time immemorial. If the time is there, then why not use the quantized subatomic particles to come up with the dignified motor computers of the quantum kind? It is $1,000,000 question of the hours. There are limitations. There are very many limitations to not to make this idea feasible so far. Moreover, the usage is restricted to individual needs of what there is no need for the quantum computer at all. It is the analog computers and the scientific computers that will need something special like the quantum computers. The official usage or the individual usage will need meager computational data that can be handled well with the local servers alone. It is not necessary to do the calculation with the help of the quantized subatomic particles. So what is the specialty about using the quantized subatomic particles? Remember, matter is composed of subatomic particles like protons and electrons or neutrons too. If the basic constituents are the excited state, then the quantized subatomic particles can be observed with a microscope. The electronic microscope reveals those patterns better. These quantized subatomic particles are capable of conducting charge to behave as electricity. This is learned in the classical theory of physics clearly. Quantized subatomic particles are seen not only there but also in many other applications where light energy is being used extensively. Likewise, the usage of the quantized subatomic particles is quite extensive so far in varied applications that anyone seeing the industrial segment as well as in the households too. Light-emitting diode is one novel finding of the similar kind. The same effort is being put forward today in the computer technology too. It is being done with the sole aim that there will be fruitful results in the future to be appreciated by all of the users of the modern-day computers. The quantized subatomic particles can be the ideal choice to store data in massive amounts. Quantum computing explained. If the data storage in massive quantum is possible, then how about the massive losses of data stored in that way for so many related reasons? How about the reliability of the quantized subatomic particles used for storing data? How far could anyone trust on the new concept to be used in the premium applications like space research or industrial sector of varied capacities? This is what is under research. Guess for instance, if anyone is sure about the massive number of data storing capabilities with the quantized subatomic particles. The next important question to remember will just be this. What if the user loses data in massive scale because of one or the other type of technical glitch? Is it possible to rely on the quantized subatomic particles to store data under all the circumstances? Can anyone retrieve data that is stored in the quantized subatomic particles in case of any mishap? Is it possible to come up with something really revolutionary enough to store a massive number of data to meet the whole need of the United States of America with the quantized subatomic particles? There are too many questions that are boggling our mind today, but the answer that is not available is the matter of concern. Computers are in use since so many years now. The computers and the chips of the micro level are being used in so many pieces of equipment today, apart from the real computers. Digital units are in use in the industrial setups to come up with right reporting system. There are so many updates that are being made to the public about the weather conditions through the scientific updates camping from the computers that are connoted with the satellites.